we're back outside for another adventure. Today got the backpack loaded up with some gear and doing some serious hiking. Maybe I got some of the inspiration from these little guys. Alright, so yeah, I'm sweating my butt off, but I think it was worth it. Y'all tell me if it's worth it. Getting up early, carrying all this stuff. I don't know. It's worth it for me. We're actually doing two hikes today, and the first one starts off at Tria de Lagoña del Este, or the Lagoña del Este Trail. The total time for both hikes today will be over 4 hours, with elevation gains from 0 to 700 feet, back down to 0, and up to over 800 feet. And if you know anything about hiking, you know the hardest part is going down, especially when you have rocky terrain like we're dealing with here. And here we take a 30-minute stop at Moradorinha, probably one of the more scenic places on the whole island. It took us just over an hour of all uphill climbing to get to this point. And if you appreciate this content, go ahead and smash that like button. And at the time of year we were there, weather can change pretty quickly, so make sure you're prepared. Today we lucked out and we only had to worry about the sun beaming down on us or some cloud cover giving us a nice cool temperature to continue hiking in. So after a brief stop here at Lagoña del Este Beach, we hydrated, got something to eat, and continued on. Most of us didn't even know Florianopolis had this species until we saw this guy firsthand. Talk about a hike. They said it's supposed to be the easiest one. Jesus. So we got to the peak. And here's some of the beautiful views you'll get from this side of the hike. As you can probably tell right now, this is not the easiest hike and you will be sweating a lot. This area here is a nice spot to pause and take in the views and the cool breeze. And if you plan to do this hike, make sure you bring enough snacks and something to hydrate you that has electrolytes. Because if not, you're probably going to have some serious leg cramps, which I experienced at the end of the hike and had sore legs for the next few days. Straightforward. Like the path looks like it's a lot easier now. Came all the way from there, mountain, came down, somehow zigzagged down, and yeah, nice beach though. I think this is the most activity I've seen on a beach out here. It's 4 in the afternoon, Sunday, so it is a beach day, but all right, goodbye to this beach. We'll move on to another side and see what we can get there. So right as you finish the hike, we ended up here. So I figured it'd be a good time to fly the drone around and just get a nice look around the area. Thanks for watching, and you're more than welcome to check out my other travel content right here.